Hey, it's John with Salt, Pepper, and Fire. Just want to thank you for stopping by the channel. So what are we doing today? Well, first, if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it so you'll be notified anytime I post. And if you've been with me for a while, I really appreciate you. So today we are cooking sirloin steaks on the Blackstone, so stick around, let's get it. All right, so here are our steaks we'll be working with today. They are choice Black Angus petite sirloin steaks. We picked them up for shade under $10, shade under 7 pounds. So I will get these out of the package. We'll get them on the Blackstone and get rolling. All right, so we have our steaks out of the package here, and we're gonna go ahead and get just a little bit of rub on them, and they will be ready for the griddle. I'll be using the Kinder's buttery garlic and herb for this. Just get a nice application on the front and the back here. Let's press it in, we'll flip it over. All right, now we'll let these sweat for just a little bit and we'll get them on the griddle. All right, so we'll go ahead and get our butter down. Okay, now we'll get the steaks on. Alright everybody, so this cook is going to be a pretty simple and straightforward cook. Not a lot to it. I will jump back and forth and with commentary every now and then, but for now let's just watch these steaks sizzle. Alright, so a quick pro tip when using the Blackstone E-Series, if at all possible, try to make sure your meat is up to room temperature, because when you put it on the Blackstone, it will bring down the temperature of the cooking surface and you'll have to recover the temperature. So if at all possible, just go ahead and make sure that your meat is room temperature before placing it on the surface. So at this point, we're just gonna go ahead and give all the steaks a quick flip. And as you can see, I added just a bit of rosemary to each steak here, just to add a little flavor as we're cooking. So the steaks are finished and they look amazing. But before we get into it, we're gonna go ahead and do a quick recap. So I took the steaks out and we seasoned them up. Then we threw them on the Blackstone. We added a little butter to let them sear in. We pulled them off, let them rest for a bit, and now it's time to eat. So I want to thank you guys for coming by. It won't be a taste test this time. I'm about to eat with my family. Thank you for watching the video. I thank you for being a supporter of Salt, Pepper, and Fire. And if you haven't subscribed already, I would appreciate it. Please like this video, leave a comment. Until next time, we'll see you guys.